The banana is one of the most popular health foods on earth. When you buy them from the supermarket, they may not be perfectly ripe. So let's see 3 different ways by which you can ripe the bananas. First is the paper bag technique. As the bananas ripen naturally, the peels give off ethylene gas. The higher the concentration of ethylene in the air surrounding the banana, the faster it will ripen. The amount of ethylene gas released can be increased by placing in a brown paper bag with another fruit like apple or tomato. Second technique is cook in the oven. Place the bananas on a baking sheet. Do not overcrowd them. 3 to 4 bananas are enough on a baking sheet. This method will not work for completely green bananas. They will need to be almost ripe, that is yellow in color, for best results. You can use these ripened and cooked bananas for various cooking purposes, for example, for making banana muffins, etc. Third method is popping the bananas in a microwave. Poke unpeeled bananas all over with the fork or knife. Then put them on a paper towel or plate and microwave on high for 30 seconds at a time. Repeat until they are as soft as you want them. So these were the 3 different ways by which we can ripe the bananas. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe for more videos.